Let's back up a bit and let me show you how we tiled our splashback. Prepping the wall is quite essential for good tile adhesion. Firstly, score the wall using a knife or a scraper. Remove any dust. And be careful not to suck your face off. Then wash the wall with Sugarsoap to remove any remaining dirt or grease. Tile Bond latex is used as a wall primer. We applied 2 coats of this product. The tiles I chose match my mural design. I laid them out, mixing several boxes to achieve variety in color and texture. A tile cutter is a simple tool to split the tile with minimal chance of breakage. Let's get those tiles on the wall. We used pre-mixed tile adhesive because it saves a lot of time mixing, and we could get straight into it. Apply the tile adhesive with a trowel, making sure you get even coverage. Then push the tiles into the wall. Use tile spacers to get even gaps. The trickiest part is cutting the tiles around power points. We used an angle grinder with masonry blade to get the correct angles. Can be a little bit time consuming to get the trim angles right. We used a hacksaw to cut the trim. Always make sure to close lids properly, pushing out air so the product doesn't dry out. Let the tile adhesive dry for 24 hours. Then you can start grouting. Using a grout float, push the grout into the joints between tiles. using diagonal motion where you can, so you don't pull grout out of the joint. Remove any excess grout using the edges of the grout float diagonally. With a sponge, you can then remove the grout from the tile surface. It can happen that you trap some air into the grout lines and bubbles appear as it's drying. This is normal, so just using your fingers, simply push more grout into those holes. Using a soft cloth, you can buff off the grout film of the tiles. Apply silicone to the corners. And use soapy water to smooth it out. Grout sealer is optional to protect the grout from moisture and stains. There are two options to apply it, by either spraying it on and wiping it off the tile before it's fully set. Or I've chosen the second option, of using an artist brush to paint it straight into the grout, also removing any drips of tiles with a cloth. I'm wasting a lot less product this way. You're meant to seal your grout every 6 to 12 months. And we're all done. It's looking pretty mint. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more DIY content, subscribe to my channel.